Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out doing a little rifle hunting. It's December 4th. It's about 2 o'clock. It's the second Monday of the PA rifle season. It's the first time I've been out with a gun. I was out the first day all day, but I didn't take a gun. I just tagged along. So it's the first night I get to come out with a gun. I'm just out to try to get a doe with the rifle. I got the 270, the Ruger 270, Winchester short mag, so it's a pretty decent gun. So hopefully we'll get a doe out tonight and I can get a shot at one. So stay tuned, guys. Hopefully you're enjoying this hunting season like we are. And hopefully we'll get a couple more deer down before the end of the season. So stay tuned, guys. We're locked in tonight and hopefully we'll get a doe. Stay tuned. It is currently December 4th in Pennsylvania. And we have robins. I am not sure what's going on about this. They should have went south a long time ago. But we legit have robins out in front of us. A bunch of them too. Doesn't make... Sorry, this is bouncy. I don't have my regular tripod. But it's does not make sense at all. I guess I shouldn't be complaining, but a little weird. Well, it's about 4 o'clock. We've been in here for about 2 hours now. And we haven't seen anything. Except for a few robins, which is really out of the ordinary. It's pretty windy right now. So, I mean, it's getting towards dark. It's just starting to cool off, so I'm hoping that deer start coming out here before dark. So stay tuned, and hopefully the next bit of this will be some deer. Alright, so it's about 4:30 and we got our first 3 deer out. They're up on top of the hill. Probably, say 250 yards up there. They're up in the food plot where I shot my buck at. I'm kind of sitting back a little bit away from everything, trying to have a doe come out down here so I don't have to mess up there. Because that's like their sanctuary between those 2 food plots up there. So we got 3 out so far. Still got about an hour till dark, so hopefully we'll have a few more come out tonight. But we got 3 out, so I mean, we didn't get skunked, so we can't complain there. So stay tuned for the rest of the night. Alright. Oh, there's some more deer that have come out up top. A bunch of little bucks and little yearlings, so fortunately nothing to shoot. I think he must have. There was one underneath the tree stand, but he must have moved. But yeah, just a bunch of yearlings and a few little bucks, so no big does yet. Alright, so if you remember, I forget which video it was, but I talked about how bad this one yearling looked. Wasn't sure if she was gonna make it or not, he or she. Well, she's still alive. So that's her right there. She looks like she's gaining weight. I mean, she might make it. we haven't had that bad of a winter yet either, so if the winter turns, I'm not sure if she'll still make it, but she has plenty of food up here, so it's pretty cool. It's amazing what these deer can go through and endure. She's coming down, so we'll sit here and watch her for a bit. Still no big doves, so there's been a bunch of shooting tonight though, so deer are moving, just not right here. Alright, we got two right out in front of us. One's that yearling and the other one's just a little buck, so we're gonna hold off. I got another one coming here. Let's see what it is. Looks like another buck. Alright guys, that's a wrap for December 4th. Didn't see too much, just a bunch of little yearlings. No big does to take. This might be the last episode of the rifle season, so hopefully you guys enjoy them. And can't wait till next year, 2024. We'll get some muzzleloader hunting in, but other than that, maybe some trapping videos. But hopefully you guys are enjoying, and we'll catch you all next time. See ya.